Alright, I'm not too sure if I did a video on this thing or not. But there's this pop-up speaker that is like for your iPod or something. And it's got an FM radio built in. And these tune buttons, the original tune buttons, they stopped working. So this is pretty much what I did. Put two more on there, and I got them, if I can find it, right here. Pulled them off this circuit board. This went to one of them closet lights. You just tap it and it turns on. But it works great. I'm probably not going to get any stations until I plug this in, and then even then, I can find the hole. And you might want to cover your ears. All right, here we go.
Things will make us up.
All right.
Her, but she wasn't.
As you can see, it works pretty good.
As a kid. Now.
As you see, it works pretty good. And then I had to fix this too. But it works pretty good. It's pretty loud. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'm sorry about the lighting, because I had to get rid of my mouse pad because it was getting all dirty, so I cleaned it, and now it just fell apart. You just take this, and then it's a little hard to see. I guess that works. Well, thanks for watching.